and you filtered out the hoarding, and you filtered out the sense of like greed, and you filtered out the, the fear around like, where's the money gonna come from, right? You're starting to filter that more of that out, right? But those filters are really thin, right? Those are really thin filters, so there's going to be a lot more coming through. And there's also the acceptance that fear is also a part of the financial journey at certain points. Just because you get over fear of receiving, or the first level of receiving consistently, having consistent clients, and that fear goes away because now you know how to do it. And then the next fear is like, okay, now I got to get to this next level of income. Maybe if you get past the $10,000 mark, you're going to 15. There's always going to be a little bit of fear that comes in no matter what, but you will have learned to deal with it at those levels. So there isn't a thing or a space where you filter it out now and it doesn't come back later. It just comes back a little differently. And because you dealt with it, you know how to deal with it now. You also will know how to deal with it when it comes. And so that gives you the added capability to feel more masterful with what you're creating. So you're building mastery. And they want you to build on the bricks of mastery and not have amnesia around the fact that you overcame certain things. But just because now a new situation comes up and it looks different doesn't mean you don't have the capabilities that you had before. The capabilities move with you as you gain mastery over your internal ocean current regarding money.